thinking you won't be grilling, Dad.
Look at me.
What? I said I think you won't be grilling, Dad. No. Okay, got it.